If you think eagles and hawks are the deadliest birds, think again. There's a bird that doesn't just hunt snakes, it kicks them to death. Meet the secretary bird, a 4-foot-tall predator with legs of steel. With a single lightning-fast kick, it delivers a force of 500 psi, enough to crush a cobra's skull in milliseconds. And it's not just brute force. This bird is a tactical fighter, dodging snake strikes with ninja-like reflexes before delivering the final blow. It's basically a karate master with wings, and the ultimate nightmare for venomous snakes. Would you rather fight a snake or have the secretary bird on your side? Comments down below.